Natural collagen boosting drink for glowing skin. Want to prevent wrinkles and get glowing skin? Try this natural collagen boosting drink. Here's what you need. 1 tablespoon roasted flax seeds powder, rich in omega-3 fatty acids and lignans, which keep skin firm and hydrated. 1 tablespoon soaked basil seeds, packed with antioxidants and omega-3s, helping fight aging and improve skin elasticity. Juice of 1 lemon, high in vitamin C, boosting collagen production and reducing dark spots. Juice of 3 fresh oranges or sweet lime, loaded with vitamin C and AMP. Bioflavonoids, keeping skin youthful and radiant. Mix everything together and your collagen boost drink is ready. Drink this collagen-rich drink daily and see the magic on your skin. For more health tips, click the bio link.